How do you get girls to reply to you, boys? Okay, tutulungan ko na naman kayo. So this is Lizelle Chu, and if you wanna know all about it, here we go! Boys, ganito yan. Chances are, yung mga babaeng message nyo is may mga ibang lalaki din nagbe-message dyan. If you want a woman of value, of substance, of incredible beauty, hindi lang ikaw nakakakita sa babaeng yon. Chances are, napakadami ding lalaking pumipila dyan sa message request niya. Now, if you're gonna message her, what sets you apart from those other people that are already in the request, in the message request, or in her DMs? Anong pinagkaiba mo dun sa mga yon? Kasi ikaw gusto mo tong girl to dahil maganda siya, or nakikita mo na she's very hardworking. Basta nakikita mo yung trait na gusto mo sa babae, kaya mo nga siya minessage eh. Now, ano naman yung meron kang trait na yon? Do you fix your looks? Do you fix your physicality? Do you do something to improve your body? Do you do something about your fashion, your clothes? Especially, do you do something on your photos on social media? Alam nyo, I think isa sa mga cringe na ginagawa ng mga boys, if they're on their social media, yung mga pictures nila ganito. I don't suggest to take photos like that. Just, go to a nice place. Ang dami dito sa Pilipinas niya. Good lighting. I suggest, boys, if gusto nyo maganda yung pictures nyo sa Facebook nyo, sa Instagram nyo, mag-pictures lang kayo pag umaga or maliwanag. Dahil ang hirap mag-picture ng gabi. Mukha kayo ng tropa nyo magaling mag-picture, pa-picture ka. Gandahan mo yung fit mo. Wala, it's all about the effort. Itong babae, itong nagusto nyo, pinag-effortan niya yung sarili niya maging maganda, maging sexy, magandang skincare. Inaalagaan niya yung sarili niya. So, if you want that, you have to execute that effort din. Kasi she's gonna look at your message na parang, why is this man worthy of my attention? Be a man of value. Be a man of value that's worthy to reply to. Show your interest. Show your achievements. Go, pakita mo. Especially sa social media ka lumalapit. Pakita mo sa social media mo kung yung mga achievements mo. Hindi yung mga ganung pictures na, alam mo yun, mga informal pictures. So please, huwag naman kayo mag-send ng mga bastos na pics or bastos na pagkikipag-usap. Yung mga, ay tara, punta tayo sa Sogo. Yung mga ganyan, napakaraming mga ganyang lalaki. So, stop that. Be formal. Say, hey, I was actually following you for a long time and you replying to me will become my happiest day. And I just want to say I admire you very much. Yeah, just, be super sweet, be a gentleman, be formal. Kasi hindi mo na makilala tong taong to eh. Bakit ka ba mababastos? Hindi ka uhaw na uhaw para gawin yon. Fix your social media, boys. Kasi titingnan niya yan. Trust me, tinitingnan niya yan. If hindi ka pasado, hindi maganda yung mga pictures mo, pananamit mo hindi maganda, you don't do something to improve your body, you're not in your best shape, ang low quality ng mga photos mo, he's not gonna reply to you. Because she's going to base there, okay? So, ayan lang. I hope this helps, okay? Improve yourself first. Mwah!